Hey guys, things are really flying up here at the Sandy Pines Wildlife Center, and I don't just mean drones. As you may recall, a terrible fire in January of this year destroyed our barn, but thanks to your generous donations and numerous fundraising events, work is progressing rapidly on a new barn and aquatic center, which will immensely improve Sandy Pines' ability to care for water birds and semi-aquatic mammals. This week, the friendly guys at Ken Tulloch Construction were working on the roof trusses, raising them up one by one and securing them in place. Outfitting the new facility and funding a new well depends upon your generous financial support. Please visit www.sandypineswildlife.org and hit the donate button right here. Thank you again for your support.